Crocodile. DJ thinks it's a crocodile. Hey, it's a zebra, DJ. Go back to school, man. I was right. Where's the clapping? They are so clever, yes. For the next time, it's time to call some boys now. So this time we're gonna pick up. You come sitting doing nothing. Stand here. I need you to catch the ring for me like this. Can you hold it? Don't shake. Everybody, Django is coming. Come on, Django. When you're ready, we're gonna fly. Bravo! This boy, come. Don't worry, I'm coming up also. Come quickly. Hey, come. Stand here, hold it. This one is gonna be quick. That's why we're picking up the kids only from front. But now we're gonna move to the back one. Come on, give it up, everybody. Fantastic. Thank you, buddy. Now, it's time to call some of the daddies in the brown. Come down. Yes, you come down. Come. Even if you're not a dad, it's okay. Come, stand here, brother, with one hand only like this. Right hand, don't shake it up. Hold it, little that side. Like this, yes, don't shake it. Everybody, we are welcoming Stone Cold, Steve Austin. Ready to fly, Stone Cold? Let's go! Bravo! Good job, thank you so much, Baba Tal. Come, be a part of the family, yes. We're going to do it a little higher. Sir, this way, please. Your right hand, there you go. Sir, what's your name? Yusuf, are you scared of bird? Looking at your muscle, the bird will be scared of you. Okay, hold it. Let's go. Bravo! Thank you, Sir Yusuf. We appreciate it. Thank you, small Yusuf also. Thank you so much. Shukran. And now, it's time to call one of my favorite birds in the animals kingdom. Why I call these birds favorite? Because when I was a kid, I used to watch these birds in the cartoon, very famous. Long mouth, very beautiful looking. Welcome the boy and the girl, twins, toucans, Rio and Ria. Yes, okay, everybody get ready. It's time to pick up someone from up. You put the food in your hand, the bird will fly. Sit and eat. Then you close your palm, it flies back to the trainer, just like this. I need two ladies, only ladies. This one is for ladies. Who wants to come? From this side. Okay, let's go down. Hey, come. Okay, she wants to try. Come, one and one. Hey, lady, come on. Mommy, come here. Woo! Okay, two of them. There you are. I need you to stand here and raise your palm. What's your name? Una? Remember, make sure you don't eat the bird's food, okay? Make it like a cup. Miss, can you have a seat? Just sit down for 1 minute. Okay, Luna, here we go. 1, 2, fly. Now, which one is the boy, which one is the girl? It's very simple. The one flying to Luna hand, that's the girl. Her name is Ria. How do you know it? It's by the length of the mouth. The small length is always the girl. Thank you. The big length is always the boy. Now when I say the small mouth is the girl, this is only in the bird's family, remember. In real life, all the husband knows what I'm talking about. Don't shake. Let's fly. Here you go. These birds cannot fly for a long distance. Why? Because the wings don't grow big like the other parrots. Their body is going to be all set. Close your palm. Woo! She's looking at the gold bangles you're wearing. Don't touch. This is what girls always do, checking. Let's clap your hands, everybody. We say a big thank you, Mamiji. Have a good time. Thank you so much for Rio and Ria, right over traders. And now, we are welcoming the national bird of UAE. Here we go. Welcoming the falcon. There you are. One of the fastest flying bird in the world is peregrine falcon. That's the national bird of UAE, but that's not the one we are talking about, because that's a Harris hawk. If you take a picture, you need to wear a gloves after the show. The gloves is covered in the glass for your safety. It's okay, you just want to fly around. Gonna fly together, he's gonna sit on your hand and take a picture. He's a lovely boy. They like to, wait. I can smell something. What are you feeding him? KFC? Spicy or normal? And that's why he's going to make this. Let's clap it up, everybody, for the big boy. Thank you so much, Ronnie. Friends, in the next part of the show, everybody's playing with us basketball. You need to play for one team. We will have 3 rounds. You need to choose your team. Hey, DJ Win, you are a captain of one team, I will be the captain of the other one. This is called the Amazon rainforest, Amazon parrot, the Eclectus parrot. Which parrot do you want? Okay, so DJ Win said he wants to play this team. I will play this team. Who wants to play with my team? Hands up. Good choice. Who wants to play with DJ's team? You will lose. 1, 2, go! Come on, come on, come on, come on, Amazon. Come on, we're gonna move it. Faster, faster. Yalla, yalla, jaldi, jaldi. You gotta do this one more in the house. One more, you're gonna fly. Woo! Hey, I told you we will win, man. Let's clap your hand. 1-0. Alright, there they are. Amazing. It's time to play round number 2. No flying. This time running. Basketball on the table. Let's see who is going to win round number 2. They're going to change the players for round number 2 on the table. Let's see who's... Hey, if I win, game over, right? If you win, we will play one round. That is if you win. So let's see who's the next player joining us for round number 2. Basketball on the table. Team Gray. I want to win. Okay, Gray. Gray is my team, okay? Green for you. 1, 2, go. Come on, Gray. Come on, Gray. What? One. He's so fast. You know what? We will change the team. Green is for me for the final round. Okay, let's play final. Green is for me. So 1-1. Let's see who's going to win the final. Come on, Green. I need you to run same way, faster, okay? No